All right, today we are going to show how to set up for an aromatherapy massage in Azalea. So first thing we're gonna do is come in the room and we're gonna turn on the lights. And we're gonna turn on the music. You have an option between channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. All right. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the room first, and then we'll get down to the setup. So, what we're gonna do is prepare our table. When we close our rooms at night, we do not put the second sheet down, so you're gonna need a face cradle, one sheet, and the spa blanket. Make sure you turn on your table warmer. Comforter and neck roll all go into the deep drawer in all rooms. Make sure when you're using your sheets that they are stain-free and tear-free, as per Ford standards. Ford standards tag always goes under and at the bottom of the table. For these blankets, that means it'll always be in the right-hand corner. Also make sure that there are no oil stains on your blanket. There is a foot pedal here for controlling the electric tables. You want to lower the table for the guests, making sure that the blanket and the sheet do not touch the floor at the end of the table, per Ford standards. Next, we're going to get the towels and the cabbie ready. Turn your cabbie on. A standard service will take one more neck roll and one washcloth per massage. I like to roll them this way. It keeps them rolled better. They don't have a tendency to unroll on you. And into the cabbie. And it also requires 2 wet towels. One for the back and one for the feet. Wet them in the sink. Every room has its own sink. Let them, roll them, wring them out. You do not want sloppy wet towels. You just want damp towels. And they go into the cabbie. You do not want to put them with the dries in the cabbie. Even if they're not touching, they will make the dries damp. Next, we're going to get our tea ready. Any room that has a kettle that looks like this, they do not turn off, so you do need to keep an eye on them. We're going to go ahead and fill this with water. And usually about, I'd say about 6 to 8 minutes before the service is when we like to come turn them on. You'll turn it on and wait for it to boil. And you're going to take your creamware, and 2 splashes of lavender and 2 splashes of peppermint. And that goes directly under the face cradle. Alright. Now, since this is an aromatherapy, if we needed to get any oils to restore, to replenish our own oils, we will go this way. We're going to go to the dispensary down the hall where all of the oils are kept. In the dispensary, all of the oils are right here. This is your unscented. This is for all massages except for the aromatherapy and the sampler. And here we have our lavender, and we have our ginger, and we have our deep forest. These are the 3 scents that we offer for our aromatherapy. So if you have your own individual bottles, which usually look like this, and we carry them on our person, but are a bit smaller, some of them, you can come in and just refill directly out of here. All right? So once you have all your oils filled up, we can go back to the room and we'll discuss how you go about discussing the aromatherapy massage with the guest once you have them in the room. All right. You want to bring the guest into the room, have them take a seat, and then we will go over with them their intake form, anything that you need to be made aware of, skin allergies, anything like that. And then you'll discuss the aromatherapy choices. So usually what I will do is I will bring out my aromatherapies. Right here. And I will offer them to the guest. And I will set them down. And I'll tell them which one is which. And I will take the top off. And I will let them have a sniff. All right, so the deep forest and the lavender and the ginger. Okay, and let them pick their aromatherapy, and then you go ahead and step out of the room and let the guest get onto the table. And that is how you go about an aromatherapy massage.